got a lot of snow. Good morning, guys, and welcome back to our snowy farm. Beautiful, beautiful snow. Definitely got it about, I don't know, 3 inches, maybe more. This is so fun. So I'm coming out early this morning and I'm gonna bust water troughs and make sure everybody's good, but everybody looks nice and happy and warm. We're gonna have a lot of fun today. I'll take you guys along with us. It's been so many years since I've got to be in the snow. River, what are you doing? They're all hanging out in the sunshine. Look at where Chex walked over here. Oh my gosh. Are you eating the snow? Is that fun? He's eating the snow, oh my gosh. Look at Chicken Prince. Oh, it's so cute. Where the chickens are out here walking. So real feel is like 20 degrees out here, but the sun is shining, so it's melting so much so fast, which is a little sad because we really enjoyed this. I'm not enjoying the mud mess it's making, but the fun the kids are playing, the fun the kids are having. They're sledding. We're fixing to pull some sleds with some horses. We're going on a trail ride. We're just having fun, guys. This is something we don't see very often, and I wouldn't want this a lot, but this is a lot of fun. And they're all bucking and being silly. They've already stopped. Goodness. Look, they're so cute. So we're still under a winter weather warning because of how cold it is. Tonight it's going to be like 0 degrees. I've already busted ice twice. We're moving ice from their water, but everybody is drinking. Everybody's good. We will continue to bust ice today, and we're going to ride, we're going to play, and then we will watch over everybody during the night. You lost him.
Ain't no big thing. Look at Mom. She's gonna fall out.
This is awesome. No, come here, buddy. Come here, come here. Jennifer wants to do it. And Donkey. Watch out, look out, look out. Woo!
That was scary when me and Joy went that way.
This is why southern folk don't need a bunch of snow. We don't know how to act.
There is snow here, but nowhere else. Mother versus daughter. Let's see how this turns out. It's gonna be fun. Rissa, when you get it, you gotta ride like you're riding a bucket bronco, okay? Okay, Rissa? Rissa, ride it like a bronco. Once you start this cantering, okay? Okay? Okay, Rissa? Ride like a bucket bronco. Quit being a sissy. Bucket bronco, okay? Hold on. Do you have any last? Do you have any? Do you have anything you want to say before you take off? No. Do you have anything you want to say before you drag your own daughter? No. Okay. And the action has started. How about that? Here we go, boys, going faster. We are approaching the scene of the crime. How was that? How did it feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. How did it feel you dragging your daughter?
It was great.
That was a dark side. How does it feel to drag her? He says nice. Alright, we run beside him. Whoa! Hang on. She's still rolling, son. Oh, they're gonna come back next. They're gonna come back for round 3. Come on, boys. Look at Marshmallow. How poofy Mom looks. Look how snowy that little part is.
I can't stop him. You gotta run back. I'm eating so much sand. It's ridiculous.
Did you not like go fast?
I did. It was great. That's a lot of dirt flies up though.